In this video, I'll show you how to get fee refunds on crypto exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Binance, and others. Here I'm using Bitget Exchange. These are my trading fees that are being refunded. This is my USD account, and these are the fees I'm reimbursed daily after paying them. Okay, so click on this menu section on the left, and here is the crypt section. It will appear on all the exchanges here. This net refunds 95% of the fee. For example, XAU USD would be $6.04 each, or this XM, then C follows this daily style, then returns a 100% refund. This 100% key for gold, which is $12.50 on the lining, and this X battery you are at 50%. In this example, if you lose 100 fees on the floor, you will get 50% back, 50% of the $50 fee for daily fluctuations here. If you play for $100, then you will get a $40 fee which you use. You click on this tutorial. For example, if you lose $100, you'll get back $60 in this Binance. Binance will be refunded $100 this month. Let's go back to $40. For MEXC, Bybit, OKX, click on whichever exchange you want to use. I'll click on Binance for this example. I'll show you a tutorial for this exchange. Here's the guide below. Okay, read this guide. If you already have an account, delete it and create a new one. Use a new Gmail or phone number to sign up. Then click Get BAT Now. It'll take you to Binance, where you'll get a 40% fee rebate. First, create an account as usual. Once done, it'll automatically refund you daily. Okay, enter your email and password. Click Size Up and choose your preferred size. Click Tutorial, then go to Shop or Get Now below. When registering, use the code below, the reflow code, to get transaction fees refunded daily. Okay, below you'll find support links. You can contact us via Facebook or Telegram. For support, click the Facebook or Telegram links. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends to spread the word about this transaction fee refund service.